To troubleshoot login issues with Wealthfront Roth IRA, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest browser version. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can prevent you from logging in. Next, verify your login credentials, making sure to enter your email address and password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. If you are still having trouble, check if you have enabled two-factor authentication and if the authentication code is being sent to the correct phone number or email address. Ensure you are using the correct website and not a phishing site by checking the URL for HTTPS and a lock icon in the address bar. Wealthfront also has a mobile app. Try logging in through the app to see if the issue is browser-specific. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Wealthfront support directly. They are available to help with any technical issues and can assist you in regaining access to your account. It is also a good idea to keep your account information and login credentials up to date and secure to prevent any future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any login issues with your Wealthfront Roth IRA account and gain access to your financial information and investment portfolio. Wealthfront support is available to help with any issues, and their website has a comprehensive help center with guides and FAQs to assist you in managing your account.